Right now at noon, another day of thousands of new coronavirus cases reported here in Florida, with Miami-Dade hitting a grim milestone. Florida nearly reaching 159,000 cases of COVID-19 and surpassing 3,500 deaths.
In Miami-Dade, county cases are up as well by more than 1,100, bringing that total to 37,961 people who've been infected by the virus. The death toll now hitting the 1,000 mark. In Broward, there are now more than 16,000 confirmed cases, with 385 people who have passed away.
Steps are being taken throughout South Florida following the sudden spike in new cases.
In fact, we just learned about some new rules for hotels for the 4th of July holiday. And Local 10 News reporter Christina Vasquez is live. She's in Miami with the details for us. Christina, what's happening?
A big day coming out of the Miami-Dade County Commission meeting that is currently underway. There is where we learned from Jackson Health System and confirmed with them that starting on Monday, they will be halting elective surgeries. This as they are beginning to see an increase in that hospitalization rates and pressure on ICU beds. We have also just learned while monitoring that meeting that the infection rate of Jackson healthcare workers is up from 7% to 12%. We have also learned during that meeting that the infection rate is up within the Miami-Dade County Fire Rescue Department. Now, as we have been monitoring this surge in cases, we know that Miami-Dade County leaders have been trying to get ahead of them with these so-called surge teams going into hot spots to educate folks in those areas, hand out face masks, hand sanitizers. But some of the county commissioners today wondered if that is enough, if whether we are on the cusp of having to toggle back on the economy and start entering into maybe some closures for non-essential businesses. County Mayor Carlos Jimenez responding to that. He still believes that we need to give the new normal rules a chance and reiterated enforcement. Let's take a listen.
Everything that we did to reopen the economy here, to reopen businesses, et cetera, was done with our medical experts. And the measures that we took would guarantee a level of safety. We never said it was going to be 100% as more and more people go out and interact. But look, I was there. I was yesterday at a couple of different offices, and I could see as I walked people starting to put their mask on. And so it's compliance with the rules. If everybody complies with the rules, then it is safe to go outside and it's safe to conduct business.
So he is trying to keep the community in our current holding pattern of where we are on the phased opening of the economy, but you do know that he's been slowly closing the valve when it comes to the 4th of July weekend, right? Pulling back a little bit. We see that in the beach closures that are going to be happening over the weekend. And now we see that in a new executive order impacting hotel pools. Let's take a look at that together. This would be in effect Monday through Friday. This new rule limits pool hours and alcohol consumption. They want the pools closed from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. and no alcohol sales before 11 a.m. So another new measure as they try to stop the spread. Of note, also just now, as I was about to join you live, they were talking about testing in Miami-Dade County. And as we have reported, there has been an increased demand on testing sites. One thing that the Jackson Health System CEO just said in that meeting is there's two variables at work here that's of concern. One is testing capacity, right? So does the testing sites have enough tests and appointment times to meet the demand of all the folks seeking those tests? But the other aspect are the labs that process the samples. And that's when we pull out of Miami-Dade County and really get into a national conversation. There's a lot of pressure on those labs from other communities, even outside of ours. Because of that, he says, we are seeing now also a backlog in results time, maybe 3 to 5 days for some results. So that's something they're also monitoring. We are going to be having team coverage on this coming up starting at Local 10 News at 3 p.m. And of course, we always have more for you on local10.com. For now, reporting for you live, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.